Rog, I have a 3,000-word essay due tomorrow, 2 chapters I haven't read, and a presentation on Friday. I genuinely don't know where to start.
Give me your textbook. Open your laptop.
Rog, this is not the time.
Sarah, I'm about to show you 5 AI apps that are completely free, that your teachers probably don't even know exist, that are going to change how you study forever. Sit down. Here is what nobody tells students. The biggest AI companies in the world, Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, are in a full price war right now. They are competing for your attention, and students are winning. Free tiers in 2026 are more powerful than paid tiers were just 2 years ago. You do not need to spend a single penny. Here are the 5 that will genuinely blow your mind. App number 1 is the hidden gem that top students are quietly using and not telling anyone about. It is called NotebookLM. It is completely free from Google. You upload your lecture notes, your textbook chapters, your PDFs, and it becomes a personal AI tutor. No random internet answers, no hallucinated facts, just your content. Ask it to summarize chapter 4 or create flashcards. Then here is the feature that genuinely shocked me. It turns your notes into a podcast. 2 hour hosts actually discussing your study material. Listen while you commute. Listen while you cook. You are studying without even sitting at a desk. Safe to use? Yes. Google states your documents stay private and are not used to train their AI. Just never upload personal information or shared exam papers. App number 2 is the one that replaces Google for research. It is called Perplexity AI, free to use right now. When you search Google, you get 10 links. Perplexity reads all of them and gives you the answer directly, with every source cited for essays, for research papers. For finding credible sources fast, this saves hours. Students with a school email also get 1 year of Pro free. App number 3 is Gamma AI. You type what your presentation is about and Gamma builds you a professional slide deck in under 60 seconds. Not a rough template, a real presentation with structure, design and content. What used to take an entire evening now takes 10 minutes. App number 4, Quizlet, has added genuine AI features to its free plan. It automatically generates flashcards and practice tests from your content. The AI now adapts the difficulty based on how you are performing, so it drills you harder on the things you keep getting wrong. App number 5 is ChatPDF. Upload any research paper or report and then just ask it questions. What is the main argument? It answers with exact page references so you can go straight to the source. Reading a 60-page paper now takes minutes. Now here is the important part. Use these tools to understand, to research, to organize. Do not use them to write your assignments word for word. These tools are your study partner, not your ghostwriter. The students who use AI to actually learn will always outperform the ones who cheat. 5 apps completely free: NotebookLM, Perplexity, Gamma, Quizlet, and ChatPDF. Screenshot this right now before you forget. Which one are you using first? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe to Tech Simplified Pro for more tools that make your life easier.